A flat range gradually slopes higher with the help of lower wick rejection and larger green candles that strongly close the market higher. A bull hammer with a slightly longer upper wick is in opposition to the minor downswing. Bullish sentiment increases with the next candle immediately closing above the high of the bull hammer. A good swift start to develop an early uptrend. The strength of the reversal was also helped in that the bull hammer was in the center of a morning star formation. This minor green candle is able to overcome the weakness from recent resistance. Gold prices climb higher, and eventually there is a doji that forms. Here there is a small downswing point, a consolidation over the previous resistance range, now acting as support in the short term. Notice how this is also an evening star, with clear gaps between the real bodies. Since the second candle in an evening star or morning star represents deliberation, it has some commonalities to an abandoned baby candle, except the isolation from the gaps are much smaller in scale. And it is more of a gradual shift in market sentiment rather than a rapid fluctuation. The market manages to stay above 1700 for a strong consolidation and continuation higher. Here is a very sharp peak to form a rapid downswing. This bearish star was more of a precursor to the end of the uptrend prior to the emergence of the bearish engulfing pattern. Lower wick rejection of this large bull hammer is the main reason why the early pace of the downward reversal is stalling, as it does mark a firm range of short-term support.